if you find that you cannot open Github Desktop in the Windows, so if you search here Github, you cannot find any software even though it installed in the Windows. Now as the solution, we are going to do one thing for once. In future you can create the shortcut for your application and then directly open that. Let's go ahead and do that for once. Open your command prompt. You make sure you are in the root path. Here we are in the root path. Then you have to say cd and then app data. Here you have to say cd local. There are many files and folders. You have to say cd Github Desktop. Now here you can see this Github Desktop.exe. Now here you can copy this path without the angle bracket, and then in the file explorer you can simply select here and then paste that to your path. Okay, then this is the software. You can double click to open that. Now you can just simply create a desktop shortcut for this application. Now the next thing you have to do, right click on this Github Desktop and then just you have to click on this pin to start. So if you go to search here, now if you search Github Desktop, the Github Desktop is appear there. Otherwise you can just simply pin the application to the taskbar. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.